Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't throw the watermelon peel in the trash. This recipe will blow your mind, fast and delicious. Half watermelon. You can use the peels of the 6 slices of watermelon you ate. Leave a little red part on the peel. After this day, the watermelon peel will not go to the trash. Do as in the video. Six slices of watermelon. 2 as in the video. 1 lemon. Can be less or more. Adjust according to your taste. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Can be less or more. Your adjust according to your taste. 1 bottle of mineral water. 200 ml. Grate the yellow part of the peel of 1 lemon. Squeeze the whole lemon. You can adjust the amount of sugar in 1 glass of sugar. According to your taste, do as in the video. Let rest for 40 minutes. Water down. Let it boil. Cook for 30 minutes on medium heat. After boiling for 6 to 7 minutes, take it from the stove. Please don't forget to like my video. Let it cool down. Watermelon marmalade is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. See you in a new recipe. Bye bye.